Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are looking at beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 50. A great hairstyle can help you feel confident, fresh and stylish. Age is just a number and the right haircut can make you feel look younger while being easy to manage. Let's explore some wonderful hairstyle ideas. First is the classic pixie cut. This haircut is short, light and very easy to care for. It adds volume to fine hair and gives a neat and modern look. You can wear it smooth or add a little texture for a soft style. Next is the layered bob. This is one of the most popular hairstyles for women over 50. Layers make the hair look fuller and add natural movement. Whether your hair is straight or slightly wavy, a layered bob always looks elegant. Another beautiful choice is the shoulder length layered haircut. This style gives you many options. If you have thin or fine hair, a textured bob is a great option. The layers create extra volume and make your hair appear thicker. A little styling cream or mousse can make this haircut look even better. Soft waves are also a wonderful idea. Loose waves add body and softness to the hair. They give a relaxed, natural look that works for everyday life or special occasions. Women with natural grey hair can choose hairstyle that highlights the beautiful silver color. A short bob, pixie cut or shoulder length style can make grey hair look shiny and elegant. Using a purple shampoo once in a while can help grey hair bright. Side sword bangs are another simple way to refresh your look. They soften the face and blend nicely with almost any haircut. Bangs can also help hide forehead lines while adding a stylish touch. If you prefer longer hair, long layers are a lovely option. They keep your hair looking light and full of movement. Regular trims will keep the ends healthy and fresh. For women with curly hair, embarrassing natural curls is always a beautiful option. A layered curly haircut reduces extra weight and helps curls keep their shape. Don't forget that healthy hair is just as important as a good haircut. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Trim your hair every few weeks and avoid using too much heat. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.